Dogecoin has been all the rage since its initiation. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and vacillations in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this really long period? Peruse this article to be aware. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023 as indicated by our Dogecoin Forecast 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around $0.07418 separately. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025 when it is 2025, our Dogecoin estimate recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 39 cents with a base cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030, according to our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of 82 cents with a base cost of 57 cents in 2030. History of Dogecoin which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital currency market is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are figured out to such an extent that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. Dogecoin's cost has enormous potential. With the sort of distinction rising, Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the ubiquity and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and resolute worth winds around an atmosphere of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most significant level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin's specialized examination regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the cryptographic money market, there is a fair future. Nonetheless, nothing can be sure in the digital money space, and that is the point at which our cryptographic money cost gauge comes into the image. Dogecoin's absolute market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919 and is currently the 8th greatest advanced cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08282 with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing stock is at $139,097,276,384 Doge, while the complete flowing inventory is $139,097,276,384. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a massive change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its half, it denoted a gigantic fall over the long haul. Nonetheless, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a good recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost penniless the quick obstruction with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the pivotal opposition of $0.099 and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange beneath the opposition. Specialized markers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, without a doubt. Financial backer opinion viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the cryptographic forms of money equipped for being utilized as a practical cash, as opposed to just as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin, Doge, may not be a wise speculation, and they anticipate the Dogecoin, Doge, cost to be around $0.00693 by long-term end. Conversely, the Specialized Examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin cost proposed that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another untouched high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly additionally anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin, Doge, will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents. Though the normal cost may be 13 cents and the base cost may be $0.074 in light of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin forecasts 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In examination, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge value expectation 2026 as indicated by the Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectation, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Doge expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin estimate 2028. Even in the profoundly unstable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin, Doge, cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029, our Doge cost forecast, uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the least conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In light of our Dogecoin, Doge, cost forecast 2030, we